Pathian zara dam takin zing ti an thawa ti chuan chera kal turin chera punji kal turin in puat sai hei The first spot is Palong Sim.
Second spot is this one. I don't know how to pronounce.
The shade some sim.
I like this one.
Hello, Janelle.
Hi.
And this one is the most gorgeous lurky from Mizoram.
Women versus world.
Hi, girls. Bye, girls. This video. Say heart shape. Heart shape. What? Anyone has coins?
No.
We're so broke, so we just look
Yeah.
look at this view. Now, where are you now?
We are in Cherrapunji,
Scotland.
Scotland of East.
It's my case. 1, 2, 3. What's your experience?
Until now, it's tiresome.
No vlog there. Look at it here. Cô nang ai ko? Oh my god. Siya kun tala boss so ta solo ka mo. Oh ay tao ta. Apo ay ta. Oh ay tao ta. Eh ko ta ko. Lan suklan thế là cái po. Công phu chiếm được tiền ngay không? Cần từ ra. Cái gì không khá? Anh ấy, what was your experience with cave?
I will never ever come back to this
Yeah, because
It's nice.
for me it's good for one-time experience. I will not go again. The river is so dry now. Do you like the Seven Sisters waterfall? Even though there's no water.
Yeah, even if there's no water, I like it. Like, what if there's water? Oh, it would be so nice. But still, if I have to rate this view now, I'll still rate 10 out of 10. Wow, so nice.
Oh my god. Bye bye do cái này. Because trong Thái là mà té bye bye do tới té này.
Rồi té cắt chết đâu chứ rồi té cả.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Only that.
Ka Shillong mizo.
Shillong, Shillong.
Ka Shillong mizo.
Shillong.
Shillong mizo. Alam mo kasi ko bye bye với con này. Cho nên mình là vô Victorin xong một số người em làm đấy. On Christmas Day. Forevermore because of Christmas Day. Does like this. Me also. Long time ago in Bethlehem, so the Holy Bible said, there is born child, Jesus Christ was born on Christmas Day. Hope this video will reach to the police station. No, it's not acting. It's not acting. Come and try.
It's our last day in Shillong. Now we are heading to Police Bazaar. Will you miss Shillong?
Yes, I will. I will surely come back.
Amoy incident na the team meka Nula kasi Levinade.
It's fine. It's fun.
Girls, will you miss the trip? Will you miss Shillong? Momo siama. Nathan, 홍해 짭짭 가. We're coming back for sure.
Next time. Nice.
Bye
And
for
here's
now.
Teresa. And here's Rias. See you next time.
Spot Shillong.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's the way every day goes.